Number 1.
Jellyfish with no brains, no heart, and no blood. It's amazing jellyfish have existed for 650 million years. Even before dinosaurs lived on the Earth. Jellyfish have tiny stinging cells in their tentacles to stun or paralyze their prey before they eat them. Most stings occur when people accidentally touch a jellyfish. It can be deadly. Jellyfish digest their food very quickly.
Number 2.
Pufferfish can inflate into a ball shape to evade predators. These clumsy swimmers fill their elastic stomachs with huge amounts of water and blow themselves up to several times their normal size. Some species also have spines on their skin to ward off predators, even if a predator gobbles up a puffer before it inflates. Most pufferfish contain a toxic substance that makes them foul-tasting and potentially deadly to other fish. There is enough poison in one pufferfish to kill 30 adult humans.
Number 3.
Peacock mantis, a rainbow-colored crustacean, skitters along the ocean floor. The crustacean has another eye-popping feature in addition to its strong punch. Can see in 2 different directions at once. The shrimp feeds by smashing open its prey with a force that can break a pane of glass, and its starting bulbous eyes are thought to be the most complex in nature.
Number 4.
Seahorses looks like the head of a tiny horse. Seahorses are among the only animal species on Earth in which the male bears the unborn young. When mating, the female deposits her eggs into his pouch, and the male fertilizes them internally. He carries the eggs in his pouch until they hatch, then releases fully formed, miniature seahorses into the water.
Number 5.
The barrelite, Macropina microstoma, has extremely light-sensitive eyes which can rotate within transparent shield that covers the fish's head, allowing it to look at whatever it wants. The 2 spots above the fish's mouth are olfactory organs called nares, which are analogous to human nostrils. This transparent, fluid-filled shield that covers the top of the fish's head was unknown to science.
Number 6.
Sea sponges composed of an adhesive petal disc, a cylindrical body surrounding a central mouth. Tentacles are triggered by the slightest touch, firing a harpoon-like filament into their victim and injecting a paralyzing neurotoxin. In exchange for providing the algae safe harbor and exposure to sunlight, the anemone receives oxygen, the byproducts of the algae's photosynthesis.
Number 7.
When submitted the stunning image to National Geographic 2012 photo contest, many observers could not believe and ask for the authenticity of the image. In the video encountered a large group of big-eye travelers when they set off to dive at Cabo Pulmo National Park in Mexico. Thousands of fish forming a ball during the reproduction courtship.
Number 8.
Sunfish develop their truncated, bullet-like shape because the back fin which they born with simply never grows. It is the largest bony fish species, weighed close to 5,000 pounds. Sunfish may look like they're playing dead when you see them. If you're lucky enough to see an ocean sunfish look like it's dead.
Number 9.
A goblin shark's top and bottom teeth are attached to ligaments, or bands of skin tissue, tucked into its mouth. When prey is just out of reach, the shark extends the elastic tissue out of the mouth to nab the grub. This allows the animal to chow down on snacks such as teleost fish and squid. These animals are likely sluggish creatures, which can make it hard to chase food.
Number 10.
The angry-looking deep-sea anglerfish lives in what is easily Earth's most inhospitable habitat. It uses a natural lure to draw its next meal nearer. Huge heads and enormous crescent-shaped mouths filled with sharp, translucent teeth. Over time, the male physically fuses with the female, connecting to her skin and bloodstream and losing his eyes and all his internal organs except the testes.